Hi, honey. I'm here with another book. If I could drive a dump truck. Ready? Here we go. My name is Ben. That is my toy dump truck. I like to pretend that my sandbox is a big construction site. First, I fill the truck with sand, and then I lift the truck's bed and dump the sand out. What if I could drive a dump truck? It's a big one. I would dump large loads wherever they needed to go. The front of the dump truck is called the cab. That's where I sit when I drive. And the back part of the dump truck is called the bed. The stuff that I'm carrying goes in there. My dump truck can carry gravel and sand and rocks or dirt. A covering keeps the load from falling out while I travel. Looks like a blanket. The great thing about my dump truck is that I can unload it without help from anyone else. I press the lever in the cab and then the bed lifts up and the gravel pours out. My dump truck and I help at the site of a new building. Sometimes big loads of dirt need to be moved from one part of a construction site to another. Another truck called a loader fills my dump truck with dirt. I drive my dump truck over to a big hole and then I dump it in the dirt. Now the hole is filled. Next, my dump truck and I help landscapers make a beautiful garden. First, my dump truck carries in a load of topsoil. And then I dump a load of wood mulch. The mulch is made from shredded branches that have been trimmed from trees. It protects the topsoil. Finally, my dump truck dumps a load of large stepping stones. The landscapers will use these stones to create a path through the garden. We finished the job. Looks good. There's no end to the great things I would do if I could drive a dump truck. The end. I love you. Hey, look at Grandma's shirt. See? Do you know what this word is? Ask Mommy to help you figure it out. I love you. Mwah.